This storage hanger is a great storage solution. We have been trying to get all of our things like off of shelves and off the floor. And this is perfect for our leaf blower. It literally is just like a black bracket almost. It comes with the screws that you need. You screw it into your wall in your garage or your shed, wherever you're holding it. And it works so nice. Let me show you how it comes off. It just is like a little ledge. So you can see that lip right there is what holds on to this part of your leaf blower. So super convenient. It just, again, clears up a lot of space. We like are overflowing, bursting at the seams with all of our outdoor supplies and stuff. So this is such a great option. We have the Milwaukee leaf blower, but I feel like they're probably all average size. So it's nice and sturdy, it's good quality, and it's affordable, which I love. And then it just helps a little bit with our organization in this garage. The brand had actually sent it to us, and I thought it was such a good idea because like to have something that specifically fits your leaf blower and to not have to take up space on something like this. And like, look how you can tell it's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere and it fits perfectly. And it's just out of the way. So it was an awesome gift.